guys, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to do the Feilong kick. Now, there's two things you need to remember. Number one, you gotta be able to do the tornado kick. Number two, you gotta be able to do the pop 360 hyper or crescent. I'm gonna show you these two moves, and then we're gonna move on to breaking down the Feilong kick. Here we go.
Why do I say hyper? Well, it's landing on the kicking leg. That's what hyper means, landing on the kicking leg. So what we're basically doing is a crescent kick, pop 360 crescent kick. Once you can do the crescent kick, you land on one leg. So what I did right there was landing on both legs. Now I gotta land on one leg. Once you can land on one leg with the pop 360 hyper, then you're ready to do the Feilong kick because your other leg is free to execute the round kick. In order to practice the round kick for the Feilong, you gotta be able to do the switch round. So when you want to do the Feilong kick, don't try to rush the round kick. I showed you a little bit of progression where I delayed the round kick by landing on one leg first and then executed the roundhouse kick. So advice guys, what did we learn? First of all, you gotta get the crescent, the big crescent first, exaggerate that, and then you're ready for the round kick, and that what gives it the Feilong kick. Crescent first, make sure you're comfortable getting the crescent and you feel like you've done the crescent, then you're ready for the round kick. And if you can exaggerate those two kicks at the same time, then you have a Feilong, pretty good Feilong. So anyways guys, that's the tutorial on the Feilong kick. Make sure to put the progressions going. If you're struggling with the pop for the height, make sure to block, spin, run into it, practice the pop, all right? It's a blocking, you block momentum to gain vertical. So practice that. See what I'm doing. See what I just showed you, running back, forward, what I just showed you. I'm gonna put that one in slow motion so you can see what's going on. Practice that. Look what I'm doing. See what's it like. Get that done. Once you can get that height, like I said, it's not a big height to do the crescent. So once you can do that, like I said, once you can get the crescent, it's easy for the roundhouse. All right, with minimum flexibility, you'll be able to learn it. That's about it for the tutorial. See you guys on the next one.